Hey man, it's very rare that you come up on some shit like this. Yeah, that boy kind of big. When I seen a picture of it, I thought it was the size of my shit. I thought it was the size of this. Nobody, nobody. The big boy's home. Big boy's here. I need some help getting this motherfucker off. Only that came with some little cherry wood pellets. Them cherry, maple cherry, and 3 bags of charcoal with a blower. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got me a dance floor for the nightclub too. You know what I'm saying? There go the nightclub right there. Let's see if this thing works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that thing work, man. Two roll. All right, y'all. So before I transform this grill into something, ooh wee, y'all just ain't gonna believe it. I just gotta show y'all what it look like now. So yeah, I gotta clean the top of this off and everything. And I'm gonna spray the back. You know what I'm saying? Spray this whole thing. I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like before I'm done with it. So stay tuned for part 2.